This is a bot I built this morning. It just flagged a fresh wallet making an insider movement. You have probably seen the headlines. Prediction market has an insider problem. Fresh wallet appearing out of nowhere, taking huge positions right before news drops. Everyone talks about it and nobody's actually tracking it. So I built a system that watch for exactly those patterns. Fresh accounts, oversized bets, suspicious timings, and alerts me directly on my phone everywhere as soon as something weird happens. I don't code, I never have, and this took me only 54 minutes with Claude. This video is going to be special because I did this whole thing live stream in front of everyone to be able to answer all those questions. That's why you should be subscribed probably. So you're gonna literally see from nothing to a working insider detection bot. I cut the dead hair, but every step is in here. Let's build. If you enjoy this and maybe want yourself to build those bots, I will put a link in the description to my community where that's what we do. We build bots that works for us. And this is what I've always been doing before. I built some SaaS that did on-chain analysis, and now we can all do it because Claude Code just make a breakthrough advanced. Hello, everybody. We are doing something fun today. We're gonna code some bots to find insiders. So I already did one this morning. First thing first in the morning, you write code a little bit, and that's to find all the best traders, see what they've been doing. So I have some part of code that are already working, and I can find those traders and then see, for example, that guy. So that could be a goal, like to find people to copy trade or whatsoever. We are still in some exploration phases, if I could say. That's going to help us for the next steps. So what we want to build today is simple. We want to find a way to find insider movements in those markets. Why we want to do that? Because people have been they've been riding the wave again and again and again. Like if I go into Twitter and then I search with Maduro insider, I will find tons of posts about it. Yeah, Andrew Tangiway, like it's one of the best articles about it. So I have a few bots that I did actually. I have another one working. I want to show you. There you go. It's not making a crazy amount of trades, but at least it's working. I think that's the goal, right? So here, this one, look at that. We have a little P&L. Beauty is that I didn't need to do anything. So now the thing is, and I have video coming out on that. I don't care so much about the revenue right away now, because my goal is to do a lot of volume. And you see the volume I did with a small capital is fine. So now this P&L negative was actually because I was doing market making, which boosted my volume drastically. But now the strategy that I'm using is a bit smarter. And normally so far, it's been quite positive to it on all the trades that I did with it. So we're going to follow this one and we're going to trade with the rest of it. So if you want me to actually go in details about like different things that I built, or you want to understand different part of vibe coding, just let me know. Like if you want me to build something, I will build it, because anyway, I need it for myself. And am I scared that I'm showing all that? Not so much, because I know that most people will not apply. So it's fine. Can we get your prediction market wallet address so I can copy you? Not for now. What do you use for copy trading though? Did you have coding experience before vibe coding? You can ask Dan about that. No, I don't. I never code. I can understand code. I can understand tech, but I never really coded myself. Just like I did HTML, CSS, PHP. So, and that was like a while ago. I did a bit of Python as well, learned a bit, but what I'm doing, like you would see, there is no coding in it. Is the new meme season now prediction market? I think it's different thing. Like people who trade in meme coins are not the same as who people trade prediction market. Like there's a bit of overlap. There's about probably 20-30%, but it's different crowd. It's not the same thing. Like people gotta understand what's happening with prediction market is a guy can open a trade on a Monday and wait till Saturday and it will be fine. With meme coins, it can't, because there's guys like multi-walleting 20 wallets whatsoever, buying 20% of the supply and then cabling between different FNF and then vamping the coin. So if the guys disconnect, it's out. And it's like he can't trade. Like someone who trades just 30 minutes or an hour a day in meme coins can hardly make it. So then they compete with people who trade 12 hours a day, and it doesn't work. They can't do that. So it's like here, at least you can have a niche in prediction market, and I think that would bring a different audience. And now the good thing is, I don't think that they cannibalize each other, that Polymarket is taking the volume from Pump Fund. I don't think so. I think actually they both benefit each other. Like the more people will come on one, they will come on the other as well. And the more it will grow. Because if you see news get traded pretty well on the meme coins market in a different way, I definitely see them as a different one. Okay. I'm not a technical person at all, but how do I connect the API from your bot to Polymarket? So first, like you have a question that is not the right thing. You don't want to connect my API. You want to have your own API. So you can have your own API in your Polymarket account. Okay. And then you can give it to Claude Code, for example, to build your thing. So like first thing, we're going to establish the plan of what we want to do. We never start before achieving what we want to do is to have a bot that's going to help us know. So what we want to have at the end is something that say like inside or like weird movements here, potential inside, right? We want to know that. Boom. Then what we need, like I know already, is going to be, of course, API, but I already have that. And we're going to need, that's a Telegram bot here. So that's really easy to do a Telegram bot. To do a Telegram bot, you simply have to go on Botfather, you see, and then you can create a new bot. It's going to give a name. So Insider Read, I'm going to give him the name. Insider Rito bot. There you go. So a little picture. Well, I don't want to generate a picture right now. So once I create that, it's going to give me a key. And that key, obviously, I do not share it publicly. There you go. We have our key. I'm going to use Claude Code. I think it's way easier now to use Claude Code. I'm going to put it here in my notes, because the major problem of me doing this live is I love to share, but people will try to steal anything from me. So it's like if I share a key, API, or whatever, it's always I would get railed. Brother, you bounce from whatever is training constantly, while people who spend a year creating a strat to be profitable in meme coins are still profiting daily. It's fine to jump trends, but why FUD memes? So like I didn't FUD memes. There's no competition between prediction market and meme coins. That's like, if you think that you have a really big limiting belief, it's they're actually benefiting each other. And I think like another day we can make a bot for meme coins. Like just like there is a strategy that works in meme coin. I'm not saying, I didn't say you can't make money in meme coins. I actually think you can, because we had stock fund literally called like 100x every day for the past 4 days. Let me show you. Algorithm performance. I hope Dan is now working on an update. I know I had him on the phone just before, so maybe he's working on some updates right now, and that will make the website a little bit slower. It's loading. And also, if you go on our good old terminal that we love, you go into trending, and then I love the user tab. And you can see that Medi did pretty well. Like we had coins running to 60 million, almost 100, some of them, like the white whale, for example. One coin did well as well. Yep. Boom. PrinceCan called you fish at 44K market cap. That's a 280x. Remio, 220x. Mia. And that's just on the week. So how in your head you think I'm flooding it? I'm just saying it's different things. And it is now you have to understand when there is a leap, something that changed what was done before. And that's Claude Code with Opus 4.5. This is a leap that makes building a lot more accessible. So people are going to build bots on prediction markets, on meme coins, on everything. They're going to be able to build way more things. Like people are going to be able to build an app, build any kind of tool, and not everyone will do it. It's people who understand distribution and understand what really answer. Those people will win. So now, if you want me to just do handsome meme coins, I can just do handsome meme coins, but it's called handsome finance. And so we think globally. I think there's opportunity anywhere. Fair enough. Sorry. It's no problem, man. You give me a good clip. I love you. I understand. And then your question or your thinking it probably help a lot of other people, because if you think that, there's probably other people that think that. And I'm not like the guy who's going to be like, oh, well, yeah, we're jumping here to that, to that, to that. It's not like that, because I think like those strategy will always adapt and work. And we come into the era of the hyper gamification. Okay, we can go to here. So we have the API, and we need as well. Otherwise, it's going to be a little bit dumb. Boom. Let me put it here. Telegram bot. We have that. We need to have a strategy. Okay. I should put filters. That's pretty much it. Honestly, it's crazy. Like we don't need much. Like we have the filters. If we have the filters, and that's the secret of the recipe, I think. Then we get the API. Boom. And then this gonna send the message to all Telegram bot. Those one they're gonna connect together. Boom, boom, boom. Wasn't Stockchain vibe coded? Not vibe coded, but of course there's AI to you to help to write some lines of code. Like it's like a lot of the code is help with it, but then it's not only like you got to think about the code. The value of the code will go lower and lower, but the understanding of like how to connect the things and like what is important will go higher and higher, same as distribution. So it's just like it's normal. And I still think like we are nowhere near that where humans will come. All right, so now that we have that, we're going to start to build our thing, and for that we're going to use Claude Code. It's going to be here. I'm going to use a few things that are different than most people. I'm going to prepare my prompt, and I need first to find the filters. I need to find the filters, and what I do usually is I explore. And this is some things that I check. Is I always go on GitHub first to find if we have some repository that are interesting to help our AI to code, because you don't need to ask the AI to code everything. If there's a repository that do a bit of what you want to do, then you just use that as a copy, and then it will build on top of it. I find it way easier. It's going to be way faster, and it's stupid to ask the AI to be built from zero. No, it's like if you have a recipe, you're doing crepes, you want to do protein crepes, you take the recipe of crepe and see how you can add whey protein to it. So you shouldn't do that, by the way. It's not going to be a good idea, but you get what I mean. So what kind of filters do you think we should have? So we gotta be using, there's some people that posted on X about their bot doing that. So I'm gonna find that first to find those filters. That's going to be the most important part, basically. I'm gonna do a simple filtering type first, and once I have a system that works, I will improve my filtering. I want to build next something around that, actually. The Domino's Pizza Index. So basically, there's usually when there's an increase of pizza ordered, there's something happening. So I will check that as well if we can have something around it. Okay, we have this screenshot. Okay, boom. So I'm gonna try to reverse engineer what were the filters that they used. Okay, like fresh whale alert. So it's probably a fresh wallet that makes something high. So probably we're going to put total activities less than 5. something like that. And that's what they did. Copy this image, and we're gonna go on Claude. I want to build a, I can't say this on stream, where we try to spot insider movements on the prediction market by spotting common movements. Here's one example that happened recently. I paste the image. I'm gonna paste also the whole article that he had. Boom. He has some information about a recent insider movement. For now, focus only on trying to find this kind of insider movement. I want you to reverse engineer how we could have found it and what kind of filter we will use, because I will then ask Claude Code to create a bot for me that will spot those automatically. It's beautiful that now it's going to work for me. That's a good idea, big size bait. What do you mean by distribution? Distribution is going to market. So it means like making people buy or use your stuff. When will the bot be available for us? I could make it available behind a paywall. You know me. I think I start to have some good thing. Okay, so that's pretty good. Before building the bot, do not build the bot. I will ask Claude Code to do it in another instance. I want you just to help me build the prompt for the bot, and that we are able to change filters later and to ask him. I will send him some other information as well. We will remove the crypto market. It will be a Telegram bot, not free for you lovely supporters. Claude is gonna code the bot for me. If free, I mean, you can literally copy what I do now. Okay, awesome. A single channel is going to be directly into a Telegram bot channel. Single, only me will use it for now. No need to have admin access or filters for now. Just throwing the things. We will build a V2 later. And yes, you can have false positive. We prefer to catch more and have the noise. So we're getting the filters done. The API, I already have one, and have the Telegram bot. Okay, I'm starting to finish the prompt, and I will give my key as well. Let me get the polymarket key. There you go. All right, so we pasted the prompt that we got. Well. Now he's gonna search all those. Okay, so he searched through the polymarket API first. That's what I instructed him, because I don't want him to start inventing stuff. I want him to start using like first things that like there's a lot of validating. Okay, let me check. I'm gonna run it locally. Yeah, I have it. Let me check. I was too slow. I'm gonna update that. We have all the steps here. So we're gonna see the API. We're gonna implement first the structure and dependencies, then the API clients, then the detection filter, then pulling long system, and then logging. It's doing good. So now it's going to implement the detection filters. And this is new, by the way, like the Claude Code desktop like that is quite new. So I wanted to try it out. Okay, it's still working, or does it need from me? I need to use the Gamma API's activity endpoint. That should be fine. Here you go. Okay. Claude sucks at design. I agree. But that's why I build CLI stuff with Nano Banana and Claude Code. Yeah, that's a good combo. Opus in integrity, our cursor is free. Local builders are way better. Well, that's the thing. They say like using Claude Code in terminal is even... Oh, it's funny. I was thinking to text you a Bitcoin strategy to not dox your name. I wanted to know how you're doing. So Happy New Year to you. What kind of bot you did, David? Like send me. Guys, do stuff and you don't share with me. This is not 4 months ago. This is the Claude Code. It's a new one. How could you say that? They released it like just a few days ago. And I checked the guy who built Claude Code, like how he was using it and everything. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try today. I'm glad that a lot of you guys actually use it already. It's interesting to see that. I was like, oh, where people use that? And then actually a lot of you are already coding stuff. So that shows. Let's see. How can we use the bot? Well, let me finish to code it first. Oh, awesome. Should have received one thing. Okay, so normally we have our bot running. It should work. Okay. And, nice. Yeah, it's working. I'm going to check the status of the bot. See, like we have the elements that we wanted. Crypto, sport, entertainment. Actually, I will see. But I think sports we probably could find inside. I don't know. I haven't heard any case of insider. Entertainment could work though. Politics, election, geopolitical, legal, court decision. I wonder, like, there was a lot around AI and stuff. And those one, I'm not sure which category they are. Okay, to start the bot is good. Lower the filters for now so we can test it. I always do that because I don't want to have my bot running. I don't even know if it's working properly, you know? So it's like this, if you lower the filters, that's what you want to do at the beginning. So you see if it's working or not. Our goal is to find insiders like it was on Maduro, where people started to bet before it happened. So we're building the whole structure of the bot. We established that we needed 3 elements: a Telegram bot, the API key to be able to collect those data, and filters. The filters was the hardest part, and that's going to be where the main thing will be. What is launching in 7 days, DevX? Once we had those filters that we found out by reverse engineering the news that we show, then we were able to place the trades. Not the trades, but to get the alerts. It's going to lower the filters and bing, bang, bosh. This is beautiful. We have it. Potential insider movement detected. Look at that. We have, will Antonio Jose Seguro win the 2026 presidential election? I have the market, resolve unknown. I know the wallet age, certain activities, and is selling 2074 at 75. Potential payout. Triggered fresh account plus large position, outside page relative to history. It'd be funny if it happened to be something important. When was that? 3:58 UTC time now. UTC. Okay. It's going to be a crossing like crazy. It's quite a bit of volume, 90 M. And I view the profile. It's pretty detailed, honestly. Like, quite like it. Yeah, he went big on it. Never did that before. Yeah, he used to bet like $60. Oh my God. I hope he win that guy, because otherwise it's going to have problem with his wife. That's perfect. Perfect. It's working. You can now revert to the other filters and let me know which file I should modify them in to fine tune them. But still talking. So we were done, my friend. Quite cool though. Like, I mean, it's been 54 minutes and we have one. We did our bot in 54 minutes. It's crazy. Sometimes it would take me more time to find a bot to do that than to build it myself in just 55 minutes. I think we're good to go on this. We built our bot. Amazing. And now I want to build one maybe for trading new coin. It's not from ChatGPT. I did with Claude Code. I will post stuff like you got to join the Telegram or the investors ballroom. They don't bet with low amount. Yeah, that's the goal, was to test the alerts. Now I revert back to higher filters and I'm going to fine tune them because I just wanted to see what it was like, if it was working properly, and if we could use it. That was the main thing. What are we trading, boys? Tenderman is crazy. I arrive and then it's just daily. Wow, 220. At least we didn't miss any big runners. Yeah, I will post some alerts and stuff on Telegram. My Telegram is free, yes. It's a channel. You have it in the description. That's the easiest way for me to send updates. And then a tutorial and stuff I put in the investors boardroom. That's beautiful. Doing the live. I know it's not like a crazy amount, but hey, look at that. It's still not bad. It's still not bad. And we're making volume. Yeah, if you have busy schedule, like it's the best now. Like you can have like so many things. Like you guys should all build stuff, honestly. Should all build something. Try it at least. The link of the Telegram is in the description. Otherwise, you have it here. I mean, it's not going to be that hard to find. There's a link on my Twitter. There's a link everywhere. And now I'm going to have to push all this code into some VPS so my laptop doesn't have to be always on. Oh, good. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. You had the full video. You're in prediction market because you have edge or farming airdrop. I'm building edge. You know me, I don't really trade if I don't have an edge. And farming airdrop, yeah, not so much. Farming airdrop a lot more. I'm doing both, like little by little. And I will check. Maybe I will do a community. We'll see, depending of the demand if like some people want to access all those bots easily with tutorials and stuff with that. Okay. Well, have a good one. It was a pleasure. Let me know what you thought about this session. It's important for me. And I see you in the next one. Ciao.